Premier League application which tracks every matches that has been played in Jamaica, the scores, everything. So how it works, as you can see here, it will show you all the matches that's been played, that's going to be played. It does tell you the time that these matches are going to be played. Also, you can see other matches that have been played before, their scores, who scored, and so forth. So the home section, you will see pretty much the upcoming matches. Here you will see the match section. Here you see other matches that have been played before. And if you look up on the R icon here, you also see other details as it relates to the time, anyone that got a red card, yellow card, the substitution on the field, the exact time, anyone that scored. You pretty much will be seeing all of those information. As you can see here, this person here score. You can also see the statistics and also the players that have played, assist, and so forth, and also all the players that played that day during the match and so forth. So that's all we pretty much use this application here. And if I do go in the statistics section, you can see other top players of the season and so forth. So here you can also go in the media section. This section here is kind of loggy, but for this section here, we'll just show you highlights from YouTube of each match. Not every one of these matches you're gonna see highlights for, so do keep it in mind. So as you can see, these are just some old highlights, but here you'll be able to see highlights for other matches, as you can see here, but not all the matches. So do keep that in mind. So in the more option, nothing much for the more section here. Just the notification and so forth. You can select your favorite team if you want to keep a close check on your favorite team. You can keep a close check on your favorite team. Let's say Waterhouse, for example, and it will just give you mostly updates on Waterhouse. You will also get daily news as it relates to this league. So yeah, so that's really pretty much it for this application. Very, very easy to use. Helps you keep track of the matches and pretty much everything that's going on in this Premier League. So that's pretty much it. If I miss anything, just comment below. God help you out, guys. See you in the next.